In this video, I'll show you how to set up the face unlock on your Redmi 15C. All you have to do is go to settings. Within the settings, scroll down and select fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Tap on that and then select face unlock. Now from here you have to type in your PIN, password or pattern. So simply draw your PIN, password or pattern. Then you should see this prompt. All you have to do is tap on start. Then you should get this warning that the face unlock is less secure than the other lock screens. So to proceed, tap on next. And then you have to put your face within the frame. So let me just do that. So put your face and let it scan your face through. Then once it's done, you should see this option or notification, added successfully. And also you can change the name of that face data if you want to. So once you're done, select done. And now you have set up face unlock on your Redmi 15C. So whenever you lock your phone, you can simply use your face and that should unlock your device. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.